Guys, Thug Knight here with starring Brooklyn. No, I'm just kidding. Starring my mom. No, no, here's Junior. Oh, look at that firework right there. Oh God! Whoa. What in the world? Whoa!
Guess the other one doesn't want to.
The other one didn't blow up. Yeah, well, we're off to a fiery start. So yeah, featuring the. Oh Lord! Yo, there's one right there.
What?
There was one sparkling right there on the ground.
Yeah, sparkling.
There was. I got it on video.
You got it on video.
Oh, the smoke. You had this little smoke bomb, and oh my God, it was so smoky out here. It was smoking for like 10 minutes.
Daddy, do you want to do?
So yeah.
I don't do smoke bombs. I don't like those.
Featuring firework right here.
Oh shit.
Oh!
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, nigga! That was shot off and went in the road, and the car drove like right over it when it exploded. Oh, he's done.
Let's go to the back. We're gonna do it. I don't want anyone to get hurt or anything.
Okay.
I'm not with that.
We're going in the back, so you're gonna have to stay in the front. And I'm sorry.
Come,
I hate
mother.
to hurt someone that stopped and was like, "You shoot fireworks at my car."
Come, mother. Come.
And
So yeah, we're going to the backyard. Precious Brooklyn right here.
I'm big now.
She big now. What? Okay. Well, America, you see, we celebrate yesterday because we got our independence and shit from Britain. Even though, not gonna get in that subject. It's retarded. But anyways, we're just gonna shoot some fireworks and say America. Oh God. I walked right in the middle of...
Brooke.
I'm scared. All right then.
Wait.
Well, that one don't want to explode.
Oh, no.
Oh, I wouldn't trust that. He's trying to stick it off the back porch. Oh God. I'm scared.
Oh.
That was loud.
Yeah.
Oh, I dove down on top of Brooklyn. Okay, it
That's
exploded.
okay, Brooke. Stop crying.
It's
Dude,
okay.
It's nothing. It won't even do nothing to you, Brooke.
It blew an ear off.
For real.
Dude, they're not.
It exploded here on the porch.
I don't know why it didn't want to shoot. I don't know. I don't like those ones. Brooklyn.
Did not explode.
We call that a dud.
We call that a dead moon.
We were right here on the back porch.
We call that
And they
a
had
dead
it all
moon,
set up weird
dead
on the
moon,
porch, and it didn't shoot
dead
off the
moon.
porch. And it's like, me and Brooklyn was standing like right there. We're like, ooh. Oh Lord, mother,
It almost got our.
you have red eyes. Look at me, mother. She got red eyes on this camera.
Hey. Listen to. I will not take it. Do not get front there. Do get fired on.
You see these ones?
These ones.
You see that one?
Oh God, it's gonna blow up. Yo.
Yes.
Mark.
Them are the works that everyone hates. You're just like, you know what? I'm gonna shoot my neighbor.
Your neighbor? Is that his neighbor?
No.
His neighbor.
Here we go.
All right, one of them shot over there. One of them shot up there. But... Hey, America. Oh God, he's shooting
Come back here, Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. I don't think I got that on camera because the roof.
Dude, you know what you should do?
Hold
them bad boys.
Well, no.
But when you still back in the day, you will get messed up. Or you take them off the stick and just line them up and just... Thank you. Okay, 97%.
Not big.
Here we go.
It's kind of big.
Look how big she is. You can't see it on camera, guys. It's her big old shadow. Yeah, yeah. Come over here, Brooklyn.
There's two of them. Why would they get her gun? Alright, look. Only... Well, it says 1 minute now remaining.
Haha.
It was down to seconds, now it's down to 1 minute.
30 seconds. He's uploading the video of him, two bugs hit my hand that was holding the camera. Hey, before this video, he was shooting, he had like a bunch of firecrackers on my porch. And like he just set them off, and I was like, what in the world? First I thought people were shooting fireworks at the house, and I came outside, and no one was in there, and I was on Skype with Pimp Night, William, and we were looking around, and I was like, what in the world? So I was about to go back, went back inside, got a drink, and I was about to go back to my room, and I looked back, and the whole porch just kind of lit up, and I was like, what in the world? And I run outside, and fireworks, and I was like, no, who the hell? Shoot, my head, blah, 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 going off. And yeah, let's go. And see the smoke. Oh, you can't on camera. But
Upload it.
oh yeah, you can see the smoke while I go through it.
Why is it not
Go look at his video, guys. He just put up a video. Just look at all the smoke. Go look at his video.
fireworks? A mammal's house.
Mamos.
Brooklyn isn't holding the camera, so...
Yeah.
Let me hold the camera. Daddy said let me hold the camera. I'm the holding camera. Daddy? Remember I was the holder?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, guys, go check out his channel and that video he just put up.
Nothing. That's when we did the video, bro. We already did a video.
So yeah, but the shoot some more fireworks, guys. America, yeah, coming again to save the mother day, yeah. America, oh yeah, lick my butt, suck on my balls. On our way. Well, one of them shot off right there in the yard.
Yeah. And that's it. Come on. Now we're not talking about
Okay, so I didn't get that because it looked like this one fell over, but it didn't. I saw that little flame right there, and I thought it fell over and was about to shoot, and I flipped out like, nope, I'm gone. Featuring car that needs to get out of the way before they get blown up. With that car up front.
Hurry, hurry. Slow it. Slow.
Oh God.
That got hard.
It's like shoo shoo.
And come back. Let's see what happens. You get on fire.
Just got a feeling one of them's gonna like go weird and shoot over here at us.
This ain't gonna happen. Please tell me this is not gonna happen.
All right.
Nope.
Them suckers are loud.
Yeah.
Yep, they're always loud.
Oh, another car. Drive down a different road, dude. Come
Yeah,
on.
it has two.
These suckers put
Hey,
off
sport.
some smoke.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, a big shadow now.
Yep, you got a big shadow. Everybody's just like seeing the back of her head and her wave her arms, but on the other side of her, there's a shadow. You can kind of see the shadow from there. But yeah, she's got a shadow and it's really big. She's like, oh, it's a big monster. Oh, hey. Well, all right.
I would not have it if I had it. I would not touch it.
Look at that big old head of hers.
If I had it, would I?
You know what these old people are like, man. Fuck these kids.
Oh, I think I got that on the side of the camera. Oh, well, yeah. Ah.
You know I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
I'm gonna name this Brooklyn Drinking Mountain Dew.
Yep, I like Mountain Dew.
Yep. It's gonna be the title of the video.
Hi.
Brooklyn drinks Mountain Dew,
Yep.
featuring fireworks.
Okay, good.
I'll put in the description. Go to 11 minutes to understand. Oh, he gonna shoot off a bunch of them. Well, let's get, okay, wait, yep, they're big. I don't know what they, wait, face them the other way. Oh, too late. Oh my God, just get away from them. Well, all right.
Is that just all of them?
No, they kind of got put out by the water on the ground. Yeah. Just an FYI, those were like really big. Car. Yeah, I think it's too heavy to hold them. Well, face them the other way. They're gonna shoot that way. Get back against the port. Brooklyn, come here.
I was making my big shadow. You made me messed up.
Huh.
Oh shit. Come over here with the light.
Well. Huh. One of them exploded like right after ignition. It's that little I can see it. Marrow sucks.
This smoke is making me sick. I'm gonna go back inside.
Mother getting sick. Go inside.
Don't let Brooklyn get hit.
Ba-dum dum ta-dum. Ba-dum bum ba-dum. Ba-dum bum ba-dum. Ba-dum bum ba-dum. Ba-dum bum ba-dum.
There you go.
I was like, that's some major editing right there, son. Oh, Lordy, why don't you Lordy, Lord on me, Lordy, pour your Jesus on me. Give me your Jesus. Look at that ant. That ant's gonna die.
Look,
He's gonna
Amy.
die today.
Amy.
Sorry, I was killing an ant. Look at that! Oh, shit, that's scary. Oh God, praise the Lord.
Do
Praise
it again,
Jesus.
Daddy. Daddy, do it again.
Like, how many was that? They're not even all shot off.
That's a whole pack.
A whole pack, which is like how many? 20? Like a bunch just went off right here in the ground. Not any spots though. Look at that car. Thinking they all fancy like.
Here we go.
He gonna shoot off some more all the cables. God, that's so damn smoky. Oh, hey, he's gonna shoot him from like right there. Get over here, bro. Get over here. Oh God, there's like spiders.
Oh, you pulled my hair.
Well, get back here.
Do it again.
God, that scared me though. I was like, oh Lord, we all gonna die. I don't like shit. They were shooting off, and then one of them I think went back there somehow.
Let me.
Amy, will you hold it?
Oh, fuck no.
You hear me hold it?
No. You're gonna die.
Move, Brooke.
Oh my god, he's gonna hold it in his hand, everybody. Where'd it go? Did it burn you?
Nope, it did not burn him. That's a burn spot.
Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Bum! Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Oh, yeah, there it is. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Bum! Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. B.I.B. All right. He had it in his hand and he just threw it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna kinda... Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Oh, there's a cop.
Yeah, I'm sure you're in trouble, huh?
No.
Oh, there's two cops.
Alright, well, I'm good.
All right, well, we out, guys. There's too many pigs on the streets. We've got to go. We just gonna leave that here. Yep, look, we rolling, nigga. All sirens, sirens, lights. Nigga, go. Shit, nigga, the cops is coming, dog. Nigga, the cops is coming.
Oh no!
Nigga, straight up. Come hold the light up. Look, dog. Okay, you can't see out that door. Nigga, straight up. I'm not even playing. Look. The cops was like rolling up.
Did it flash him?
Yeah, they was coming back with lights.
You can come flying.
Tell them it was an accident.
Lightning.
Stop turning the light on.
Sorry. I can't see.
Let's go to your room because we can see out. Brooke! Come on.
Okay, yeah. Fuck me in, yeah. Okay. Can I throw my light?
I don't see nothing out there, dog.
You don't? Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna look out the garage window.
You see anything?
No.
Did it really flash their lights?
I'm not even playing, dog. I even got it on camera. I got it on camera around like 15-minute mark.
Oh, shit.
That guy, you could see the lights coming off your truck. And then I was like, what? And I turned around and I saw the lights coming. I was like, oh, fuck.
Oh.
But I don't know if they pulled in here or if they coming up, but straight up, cops was rolling.
And all you do is take it.
Well, you weren't breaking the law. You didn't hear the cars coming. Do you see any
I mean,
cops out there?
what can I do? Oh, you mean
A big
fireworks?
ass fine.
Huh?
A big ass fine.
I'm like, well, you didn't give me a fine. You should give people a fine for selling fireworks. Not my fault. There's nowhere in the law that says I can't light fireworks all year long. Is there not?
Yeah, and I mean the 4th of July was yesterday.
So everyone's lighting shit off.
I was about to end the video and I saw lights and I was like, oh, no, no. Oh,
Think
shit.
of the fucking popos. Whoop whoop. The one-timers.
I was pretty surprised they pulled up in here with the SWAT team acting all tough. Niggas was like, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Nigga.
Oh, Dwayne Wade signed the Cavs, nigga.
Did he really?
Yep.
Oh, KD signed with the Warriors, nigga! How about that? It's over. It's
Nigga,
all over.
It's so ass. Everyone's hating this motherfucker, dude.
I know.
Like, you couldn't beat Golden State, and you had every chance. You had 3 chances to smash them. And then you turn around and say, oh, well, I can't beat them, so I'm going to join them. I'm going to leave Russell Westbrook, that just demolished Curry, just did demolish it all.
Well, no, he got unsigned. They released
He's a
him.
free agent. No, he got
I know his contract expired, and they the general manager said he did not want him on the team. But if he had no place to go, it's still an open team. Stop it! I have a drink in my hand.
Let me tell you something.
What?
I want to play on your Xbox.
No, I know, babes.
Alright.
So yeah, he was offered a whole bunch of deals.
And he picked the Warriors because it's the team he had the most success with. I would have done the same thing
And
if the Lakers were on top.
Let me ask you this.
What?
What's going to happen if Cleveland comes back? They come back next year in Cleveland. When now he's got Dwayne Wade, they sit there and smash him. Again, how stupid is KD going to look?
He's not gonna look stupid.
Because if you think about it, Curry's a shooter. Klay Thompson's a shooter.
KD?
Draymond Green. There ain't no room for KD to get in there.
Take Andrew Bogut out real quick. They could sub him in as a center. He could be running the court up and down all day, dude.
Yeah. I want to see how these niggas play, dog. Y'all niggas have to get the top 4 MVPs to fucking now to try. Because Curry fucking sucked it up.
Man, they was thinking the same thing back in '96 with MJ. They was thinking the same thing with the Cavs. They think the same thing with every great team that happens to be great every 20 years.
Dude, I wish fucking
Them shoes though.
Russell Westbrook may end up going to the Lakers. He has no reason to stay.
Yeah, true. His contract don't end for another year.
He
Play
is
out
from fucking California.
He can play out one more his last year on his contract and then head out. I mean,
I'd like to see him and LeBron play, dog.
Yeah. When did they ever play?
Nigga, why you got a fucking light on, dog? You really have to have that light on.
Oh, well, I kind of can't turn it off.
Them cops are probably out looking for us like, nigga, where'd they go? Where'd they go?
The cop just rolled by. No joke.
They're probably searching for us. Like,
Probably circling the block like, nigga, where they go? Where they at? They probably didn't see us over there. Because I covered my light as soon as the cops rolled by. And so, yeah, they probably didn't see us over there. They just saw the fireworks, so they're searching around looking for people. But fireworks out, and they're like, nigga, you throwing fireworks at the cops.
You tell me them 3 ain't gonna be a duo. Will you shut up?
I don't want you to go to jail.
I'm not gonna go to jail.
We're not going to go to jail.
If I gotta go to jail, I'm busting a cop in the head.
I'm like, well, better go to jail for a real reason.
I ain't going in there to eat no fucking half-ass bologna sandwich for no goddamn reason. Dude, anyways, how upsetting is it gonna be when Golden State gets to the finals, or doesn't even get to the finals, gets knocked out, dog?
I think it's dumb. And I gotta end this video. It's on 23 mark when it was only supposed to be on 15. So, guys, this is Thug Knight signing out. Peace.